Hello, good morning students. In a chemical kinetics, today I am going to tell you about the average rate and the instantaneous rate. So let's take about the average rate. We are putting a delta in a average rate, so it forms as delta C upon delta T. If we are using one example, A plus B is equals to C. For an example, if I am using here A plus B gives us C, so this is the reactant and this is the product. Okay, so what will happen here? Delta C we are using with the differential with delta T. So reactants decrease with product. As the reactant will decrease, this is a reactant, reactant will decrease and the product will increase. Let's take one example. Here we have taken one reaction, 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O. Now in this one, what will happen? We are using here average rate of reaction. Now 4 is there, we are writing here as 1 upon 4 and we are putting a minus sign. Sometimes what will happen, minus sign is not there, but we are using a mode. This is said to be a mode. It automatically change into minus into the plus. It automatically change. So we are using here 1 upon 4 delta NH3 upon delta T, because we are doing the reaction with the delta T, that's why. 5O2, here it is come 1 upon 5 delta O2 upon delta T. It gives 1 upon 4 delta NO upon delta T, 1 upon 6 H2O delta H2O upon delta T. So here if we are using here NO, in this one NO, so we are using if a mode sign here, it automatically change into the plus sign. So what is the rate of dispersion of oxygen? Rate of dispersion of oxygen is delta O2 upon delta T and putting a mode sign. When we are putting a mode sign, it means this that the negative sign is changed into the plus sign. Fine. Second example we are using here, nitrogen and hydrogen is react to form a ammonia. During the formation of ammonia, 2 moles of nitrogen disappear in 1 minute. Find ROR, ROD of H2, ROA of NH3, the volume of vessel in 1 liter. So what will happen? Here we are using this reaction, delta N2 upon delta T is equals to 2 moles already we have given in 1 liter. So 2 moles per liter loses in 1 minute. 2 moles loses in a 1 minute. So what will happen? 2 moles upon 1 liter loses in 1 minute. It gives 2 moles upon 1 liter into, this will come upside, minute will change into the second, so it come as 60 seconds. So here we are doing the 2 mole inverse second inverse, this will go upside upon 1 liter into 60. So it is come as minus 1 upon 30 mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay, minus sign it is because it will disappear. I said before to you that mode sign is there. When the minus sign will come, it will automatically change into the plus sign. Now next we are using here rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is N2, it means it is alone, it means it is a 1. 1 upon 1 delta N2 upon delta T minus 1 upon 3 delta H2 upon delta T plus 1 upon 2 delta NH3 upon delta T. Okay, here in this one we are always using here a plus sign. These things we are using here a minus sign. So what will happen? ROR is completed, then ROR is minus 1 upon 1 delta N2 upon delta T. The value is coming here is, you can see here the value we have find out, that is 1 upon 30 mole liter inverse second inverse. So it is come as 1 upon 30 mole liter second inverse. Now rate of dispersion of hydrogen. Second reactions we are using here 3H2, it means 6 atoms of hydrogen is present. 6 atoms of hydrogen means we have to find out the rate of dispersion. In a rate of dispersion, first of all we have to tell what the rate of reaction came. So the rate of reaction came is minus 1 upon 3 delta H2 upon delta T. Okay, now rate of dispersion 1 upon 30 is equals to, in front of it we are writing 1 upon 3 delta H2 upon delta T. So this is the equation we have made in this question. Now what is the ROD of H2? ROD means rate of dispersion. Here delta H2 upon delta T, and I have put it a mode sign. I am not using a minus. When we are putting a mode sign, it automatically change into the plus. So we are putting the same value which we have find out the value delta H2, that is 3 into 1 upon 30, and the answer comes as 1 upon 10 mole liter inverse second inverse. After the third one, they are asking ROA of NH3 means rate of appearance of ammonia. Rate of appearance of ammonia in this one, first of all we have to find out rate of reaction, rate of appearance, and then we can find out. So here rate of reaction is half NH3 delta T, plus sign is coming because product will be there. Delta NH3 upon delta T, 2 will go on left hand side, it become 2 into ROR. ROA of NH3, it become 2 into 1 upon 30. ROR value is 1 upon 30. So it is coming as, after cutting, it is coming as 1 upon 50. Okay, same we are using in next question. The same questions you can write it in a copy. These questions is important which we are doing in a copy. Fine, same pattern we are using, which pattern we have used in question number 2. Now next we are starting the instantaneous rate of reaction, and after that I will tell you about the graphs also. Thank you students, and have a nice day.